guys, right now I am at Weatherford Beach Park, and here there are so many things happening. Like I told you all, this channel is all about fun, and I promise to bring the best to you. And guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you know what? Please do not forget to smash that button and join the family. It's going to be fun. Guys, I am still hanging with Daniel and Latif, right? So right now we'll be exploring the beach park, and I just hope you enjoy it, and I will see you all at the end of the video. Hi guys. Guys, can you all see that I'm at the beach park? And woo, that is so cool. Dang. It's so good. Jeez. That is so good. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Oh my gosh.
Wow. I should.
All right, guys. So let me take you all around the beach park. Thank you. All right, guys. This is beach park, and there are so many things happening. A lot happens here. And okay, these are bicycles for rent, right? If you want to cycle, like move around the beach park, you can rent the bicycle. They have scooters. They have so many things. Dang, it's so beautiful up here, guys. And they have coffee shops. Hey guys, I am still here at the Go Behind the Corner. Alright guys, so we're still we're trying to explore Beach Park, going out to Antalya, right? Alright guys. time. I think this is the last days of summer. Probably, yeah, summer is almost up. People still want to come out on a sunny day. I don't blame them. Hello. I don't blame them. They just want to have a good time. Ooh. Ooh. This is a very beautiful place. Chill, relax. So many nice.
You are gonna record me.
So I am still hanging with them guys. I feel like going down there, but I don't think it's an idea. It's, alright guys. I think I don't. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end this video right now. It's kind of very windy and a bit noisy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed to this very moment, guys, what are you waiting for? Join the family and smash that button. Woo, woo, woo.